Oh, it's got his face.
Basi mkateni mara moja huyu punda.
Oh.
Oh my God, this is really unbelievable.
Oh.
Upside down.
Oh,
And
blood.
the rest of them are coming.
Oh.
Look at them coming.
Embu mwambie mkateni Wilson mara moja.
This guy here is going too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that big one going. Oh. It's still alive.
You know what they normally do?
Do they kill it before they eat
No,
it?
they have to drown it. They cannot kill by suffocation. They have to drown the zebra. So they come and cooperate and
Oh,
pull
it's
him to a
still
little bit.
moving.
Oh my gosh.
This is unbelievable.
This is sad.
Kimbieni basi nani Norman.
Aren't we glad we have sprouting teeth?
Oh
my God, that thing is
na
huge.
mikasi hapa anauawa.
Oh my gosh.
Mwashieni tamu mkate.
This is so upsetting.
You see how
Zebras
many
are my
crocodiles are coming?
favorite.
That thing is huge.
Did you just see? Did you just see that thing of blood just
Spurt
squirt?
out of it,
Yeah.
just so bad.
Look out, coming from
You
this
see they're
side.
eating it alive?
They're
Yeah.
eating it alive.
Yeah.
That's so sad.
Oh my gosh.
You see
Oh,
they're eating it alive?
Yeah.
poor
Norman.
zebra.
Hata
Die
kimbieni ni
already.
kitu ya National Geographic. Kimbieni pa.
Oh,
Oh
It
my
just
God.
died. Oh
Look
my
at that big one
gosh.
coming down.
Look. Look. Oh. Look at all of them coming. Oh my gosh.
Look at him coming
Look
from
at
the
them
right.
coming from the right.
This young zebra has marched for 47 days to get here. But in less than a minute, she will be dead. Survival becomes a lottery in Africa's Great Migration, when millions attempt to cross the mighty Mara River. This is Zulu Echo 5, an adult female zebra with a simple mission: to steer her young foal, Foxtrot 1, through his first migration. Across brutal plains and treacherous rivers, remote cameras and drones record mother and son every step of the way. Will they survive nature's ultimate off-million wildebeests only a few days' march behind? The food here isn't going to last long. They need to cross. But first, they must drink. A lazy pod of hippos owns this section of river, but these vegetarians are the least of the zebra's problems. The muddy water at the edge is not good for drinking, and zebras are fussy. They need to reach the deeper flowing stream. But clean water doesn't come cheap. Though he's more interested in his mother's milk, Foxtrot 1 goes with the flow through the muddy shallows. He hasn't yet learned to fear what lurks beneath. The crocodiles here in the Talek are not as large as the monsters of the Mara, but they're large enough to bring down an adult zebra. The zebra's body language is clear. They're anxious as they enter the water. But they take courage from their numbers. They stand their ground and drink. Is it recklessness, a calculated risk, or just plain desperation? Finally, some sense is forced into the zebras by nearly half a ton of primal reptilian hunger. But they don't retreat far. They hold their position on the bank.